Okay, so this is Mackenzie Lewis's demonstration on importing queries into the PHP admin database to make changes within the tables. So our first change, we are going to insert a client into one of the tables. So we're going to insert it into this. You can see right now there's nothing in there. So we're going to add a client into the client table. We're just going to make sure that works. Oh, I didn't even do rollback. But as you can see, it says one row inserted, and we'll just show that change. So now Tony's in there. So we put in Tony Stark and then his email, password, and then the client level is 1, and then that's his comment. And so the next change we're going to do, we are just going to change him from client level 3 or client level 2 to client level 3. Let's see. Right now he's client level 1, so I might have to change that. Oh, whoops, didn't even copy it. Okay, so copy. We'll just see if this even selects it. Okay. Oh, client 2. So let's go see if that changed. Nope, so let's change that in the structure. Keep doing that. And I just realized it was because I think I had the rollback set. Maybe I didn't. We're just going to try this again and see if it does anything. Yeah, 0 affected. So let's do this. 1 row affected. Okay, let's go take a look. Now he's 3. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to make modifications to GM Motors or GM Hummer. And in the description it says that it is a small interior, and we just need to change that to a spacious interior within the string. All right, so let's go look. It says 1 row affected, so let's take a look at it and see. Okay, so here's the Hummer. And it says the Hummer gives you the spacious interior, where before it said small. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to select the inventory model from the inventory, and then we're going to use an inner join to select the car classification. The car classification ID. Okay, so we're going to, let's see, info model from inventory of classification name filled from the car classifications. And the classification name in the inventory model from the inventory. And we're going to select the ones that are all belonging to SUV. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm not very good at describing, but. Okay, so we're pretty much going to select all of, let's see. So all of the inventory items that have a classification ID of 1, because that means that it's an SUV. So we're going to select all of those. So like the Jeep is a 1, that means it's an SUV. And then the mystery machine is an SUV. So we're going to select all of those SUVs. I didn't copy it. Okay. Oh, whoops. That wasn't it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it says 4 total. So we got those. And then we're going to delete the Jeep. So as you can see in our inventory, we've got the Jeep here. We're going to get rid of that. And then it's just asking if it's okay to get rid of it. And I said yes. And then we can go and look, and it's gone. Okay, so that is, oh wait, we got to do one more. So we have to add the string PHP motors in front of all of these where it says images forward. So in the inventory images, all of these we're going to put dash or / PHP motors, and also in all of the inventory thumbnails. So we're just going to add it into the string. Okay, 14 rows selected or affected. And now you can see those are all in there. So yeah, that is all of my changes that I made to the tables, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video.